I'm confident he knows he hasn't won and is not going to be able to win, and we're going to be sworn in on January 20th.
Your morning news now. 2 months from today, Joe Biden is set to be inaugurated as the nation's 46th president, but President Trump still refuses to concede. He's hosting Republican legislators from Michigan at the White House today, seen as a move to put pressure on them, just as Michigan prepares to certify its election results in favor of Joe Biden. The president-elect said he would not rule out taking legal action as the Trump administration continues to block the transition process. Wisconsin's election recount gets underway today with scores of workers, high-speed ballot processing machines, and lots of plexiglass. The recount includes Milwaukee and Dane counties, the state's two biggest, most liberal areas. The counting process is taking place at two big convention centers that are open to the public and will also be live streamed. It must be completed by December 1st.
We're starting off with temperatures in the 30s and 40s, so a fairly mild start, but we're not going to be warming a whole lot today thanks to a cold front that moved through overnight. Those winds have shifted out of the northwest, and we're going to see highs much cooler than yesterday. We'll see temperatures around 45 at lunchtime. Highs today will top out in the mid to upper 40s.
An application for the emergency use of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine is expected today. As COVID-19 continues to spread across the U.S., the CDC says Americans should cancel their Thanksgiving plans and not travel at all for the holiday. The total number of cases in the U.S. since the pandemic began is approaching 12 million after hitting 11 million last Sunday. Wisconsin is reporting 6,635 new cases in the state and 83 new deaths. That includes 2 new deaths in Eau Claire County. There were 74 new positive cases in La Crosse County. The county is averaging 133 cases a day. 28.1% of tests in the county over the past week are positive. Every member of the La Crosse area YMCA will be required to wear a face covering under its new policy. Effective Monday, anyone 5 years and older will be required to wear a mask even if they meet CDC or state mask exemptions. The policy applies to every location and will be evaluated every 30 days. Members who do not follow the policy will get a warning. If they don't comply, they will be asked to leave.
Between the 9th and the 15th, we were able to reach 73% of our cases.
While many counties in our region are behind on contact tracing, the La Crosse County Health Department says efforts have not slowed down. According to health officials, some people are hesitant to give information, but say that it can make a huge difference when it comes to alerting people of a potential exposure. The department prioritizes contacting people based on age and vulnerability to the virus. There is a new record for overdose deaths in La Crosse County, and the pandemic may be a big reason why. Just this week, there have been 2 overdose deaths in the county, bringing the total to 35 this year. That's compared to 22 for all of last year. A study recently published in Sage Open Medicine surveyed more than 1,000 young adults in the Midwest. It found that loneliness is the #1 reason people are turning to substance abuse, especially alcohol. However, tobacco, vaping, and marijuana use are decreasing. The first of 2 free food distributions in La Crosse happens today. Hunger Task Force is hosting a drive-through distribution from 3 to 5 this afternoon at its warehouse on Clinton Street. A second event is taking place next Wednesday.
Well, temperatures are in the 30s and 40s this morning, but we're not going to warm up a whole lot thanks to a shift in winds. A cold front came through overnight, shifting those winds out of the northwest. We'll see temperatures topping out in the mid to upper 40s. A little breezy this afternoon with those winds gusting to about 20 miles an hour. Now a little more seasonable for the weekend, 42 on Saturday with partly sunny skies. Slight chance of rain and snow Sunday. Those temperatures will be in the low to mid 40s.
We want to thank you for sharing your morning with us. We hope you have a great weekend, and we'll look forward to seeing you right back here on Monday morning.